Good day everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, How to Zone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make sausage and eggs fried rice. So let's get started. First we're gonna go to the ingredients we're gonna need for today's recipe. You're gonna need half teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of chicken powder. 1 teaspoon of light soy sauce, half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, and half teaspoon of fish sauce. You're gonna need 2 cloves of garlics minced, some a quarter of a shallot minced, and 1 stalk of green onion. So for the sausages, you cut it into about a quarter of an inch or just like half of a centimeter in thickness, and then you cut it into half. For the eggs, you gonna need 3 eggs. And for the rice, you wanna cook them on the drier side and let them cool down. And I have here about 4 cups of rice. Just make sure that it's cooled down, otherwise it's gonna be sticky together. It's gonna stick together. So let's get started. The first thing you want to do is put 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon of oil into your pan. Turn to medium-high heat, and then put in your sausages. Stir once in a while. Let it cook. You want to turn your heat down to about medium heat and continue to cook it. And this can take anywhere from 2 to 5 minutes. Keep tossing so that it's not burning. So as soon as you can see the sausages, the pieces turning brown or a little bit jarred, you want to stir them, tossing around more frequently. Well, looks like at this point the sausages is ready, so I'm gonna shut off the heat and transfer the sausages into a bowl. We're gonna get into a little bit later. So now you want to break 3 eggs with 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan under medium heat, and you want to toss it around, stir it so that it's fully cooked. You want to add in the rice. And then you want to toss it up and break off all the lumps. You want your rice not to stick together. So just toss it around, mix it up with the eggs. like I do here. Just break up all the lumps so that it can absorb all the ingredients later. At this point, you want to stop heat to medium high, tossing and stirring it up and breaking up all the lumps at the same time. So keep doing this until all the lumps, all the rice are broken apart. That could take, I would say, 2 to 3 minutes. And when you're done this, because I don't want my garlic and onion to burn, so I do this after the rice is broken it up. Or you can do it before, it's up to you, but I like it this way. So just give it a little stir, and then when you're ready, and then just mix everything up into the rice. So it gives this aromatic smell. At this point, your rice should smell really, really good. So leave your stove on medium high heat. Don't worry, it's not gonna burn. Trust me. You want it to be a little bit on the heat on the hotter side because you want your rice to dry everything up, right? Otherwise, it's gonna get really soggy and it's not good. So just keep doing this and leave it on medium high heat. So now I want to add in the salt and the chicken powder. Just spread them out evenly on the top. And then the next, I want to add that soy sauce. That's about half teaspoon of light. Sorry, 1 teaspoon of light and half teaspoon of dark soy sauce. And then finally, the fish sauce, half a teaspoon. Now stir everything up. As you can see, your rice start to change the color, and it looks very, very tasty. The color is very rich. And this should take about, let everything mixed up and blended in, and that's probably, I would say, a couple minutes. Once you see all the rice has been covered with the soy sauce, now you put in the sausages that we prepared earlier. And again, give it a toss, stir it. Once everything is incorporated, it takes about a minute. Now you want to add in a little bit of black pepper, just to add it a little bit more flavor to it. And then lastly, you want to add in the green onion. And then stir them up. The reason I add the green onion at the end, because if you don't, it's gonna burn very quickly, and it does not give that green color that you want. So just add them at the very end. When you're done at this point, turn up the heat. The smell is incredible. I cooked this recipe many times, and my kids, they love it. They always want to have this recipe, this fried rice, and I think you should try them and let me know, comment it, and I will guarantee you that your kids gonna love it too. So now I want to transfer it over to the clean serving plate. A bit more pepper right over top, just to give that fragrance when you eat them. And if you like, it's up to you. Some people like, some people don't. But I personally like to put a little bit of uh, cilantro over top just to make it look more appealing, and they're tasty at the same time too. So here it is, fried rice, sausage and eggs fried rice. Well, if you like today's video, please help me by subscribe to my channel, share and like the videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next how-to video.